Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to show or hide the sidebar on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac. The steps are the same on all Mac devices. Right now you can see I have a Finder window open and the sidebar is visible on the left, but sometimes the sidebar might disappear, and no matter how much you try to drag it back from the edge, it won't appear. So, here's how to bring it back. While you have Finder open, go to the top menu bar and click on View. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Show Sidebar. If your sidebar is currently hidden, simply select Show Sidebar, and it will appear again on the left side of your Finder window. If your sidebar is already visible, this option will change to Hide Sidebar. Clicking that will hide it again, so you can toggle it on or off anytime using this View menu option. And that's how you show or hide the Finder sidebar on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.